we have Mason Ivanskis with the comedy section. Yeah, give him a round of applause, everyone. Yeah. Say a round of applause. Woo!
Yeah.
Come on, here, Mason. Here you go. No.
Okay.
Stand right here. Face the audience. There's a microphone, boo. Oh, wait.
Why is a potato a good cop?
Why?
Because they keep their eyes peeled.
No good assistant.
What is Squidward's from SpongeBob favorite girl name?
Clarinet.
Clara Net. Doo doo.
I should really get that.
What is SpongeBob from SpongeBob SquarePants, of course?
Stay in one spot in the middle.
What is his favorite place?
Times Square.
Wait, what?
Am I ruining these jokes?
Times Square.
Wait, why is it Times Square?
Square
Square.
pants.
I don't get time though. Oh, because he hates being late.
No, it doesn't. No, it's the
Okay.
square. All right.
Don't say any SpongeBob. Stay in one spot.
Don't answer.
I won't answer. I'm sorry.
Okay, how do you fix a broken tomato?
How?
With tomato paste, of course.
Okay, stay one spot now. You hear?
What is another one? Why can't you drink apple juice after a hot bath?
Why?
Because you're too full of the hot bath. Here's bye everybody.
What's magic? Okay.
No, there's magic stuff in here.
No, Mason, stop. No, I use my own magic.
Magic stuff in here.
Okay, wait, I gotta get set up.
Doo-doo.
We're taking a